Why do we use these guys? I mean, there's quite literally nothing on it, right? I mean, what is the point? Anyway, ignore them. Welcome back to Tech Legends. I'm Matt, hope you're having a fantastic day. And today, viewers, we'll be reviewing the Vlog K1 from Uskey Vision. So to start, viewers, let's get straight into the video by looking at the packaging and what you will receive in the Vlog K1 kit. So firstly, for the sake of keeping this video direct and to the point, I'm going to go ahead and assume you already know how to put this kit together, and quickly run over some of the main features of what you will receive in the box. But guys, if you need help or want to know something about a specific part, drop me a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you personally. So as you can see, guys, you will receive the stand, which comes in two main sections with the option of a phone holder attachment on top, with the 1/4 inch thread coming as standard, easily fitting all three sections together, with the middle section providing a 360 rotation and a 90-degree tilt position. You also get a very reasonable microphone, which I used to make this video's introduction with, which I'll go into more details about in just a moment. A shockproof stand which will fit on top of your mobile device or some eligible cameras. And of course, two windscreens, one furry and one not so furry, in the least technical terms possible there, guys. Okay, so next we have the cables, one designed for your phone, the other for a camera. A carrying pouch and of course a kit bag itself, along with the paperwork and a 1-year warranty. Now guys, just a quick caution, if you do have the newer model iPhone like myself, you will need to get an additional 3.5 to lightning cable adapter. Alright then guys, now we have the packaging and what you will receive out of the way, let's discuss more in depth about the main selling point, that cardioid microphone. So, the microphone itself, known as the UVM-V directional microphone, delivers a respectable quality audio and is compatible with almost every smartphone, DSLR, tablet and audio recorder. The microphone is also fitted with noise reduction technology and delivers a crisp, clear audio for its compact size, while blocking out peripheral, environmental noise. Remember, you will also receive a shock mount and windscreen, which really add to the high quality experience I've had with this microphone so far. Both of these additional features minimalising handling and wind noise. So to conclude guys, at around £45 I would recommend this to videographer amateurs, to professionals like vloggers, journalists, live streamers and mobile filmmakers, for recording anything from interviews to streaming, live streams, vlogs and of course YouTube videography. Although just on the side of caution guys, this stand is a plastic construction and is ideally made for phones and more compact devices, so if you have anything super heavy, maybe get something more robust. That's it from me guys, I'm Matt, this is Tech Legends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and of course, subscribe as it helps our new channel to grow. And remember, I'm the tech, you're the legends. See you soon guys.